welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new series that I'm starting on my channel called Reviews with Vanya. And in this series, I'm going to be talking about different products from various brands that I have been trying and loving or not loving since a considerable amount of time. And I'll just talk about how I feel about them and whether you should give them a try or not. So let's start Reviews with Vanya with a brand that has been talked about on the internet so much and practically everyone loves their products. First of all, let's talk about Saint Botanica as a brand. They are a part of PETA's Beauty Without Bunnies campaign. Their products are cruelty-free and vegan. They're also sulfate and paraben-free, which is amazing. I'm going to review two of their products today. The first one is the Robusta Coffee Peel-Off Mask and the second one is their Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Night Cream. First of all, let's appreciate the beautiful packaging. It comes in this beautiful floral box. I am a big sucker for good packaging. I always keep these boxes जिससे मम्मा बहुत गुस्सा होती है. But I just wanted to keep this long enough to show you how beautiful this is. It comes in this golden container and it has Saint Botanica written at the top. Okay, I have used it quite a lot, तो अभी थोड़ी messy हो रखी है. But this is the texture. I've been using this for like 2 weeks now and फिर भी quantity बहुत ज़्यादा कम नहीं हुई है क्योंकि थोड़ी सी ही लगती है. It smells amazing. कुछ चीज़ें होती है ना जो natural ingredients से बनी होती है जो बड़ी अच्छी सी smell करती है, fresh सी, एकदम वैसी fragrance है इसकी. मैंने बहुत टाइम से cream texture की चीज़ें यूज़ करना बंद कर दिया था. I only use gels क्योंकि मुझे creams थोड़ी tacky लगती है and sticky लगती है. So I definitely had my apprehensions before trying this night cream. But oh my god, it dissolves in your skin like nothing else. It's very light on your skin. It absorbs so beautifully on your face. And when you get up in the morning, it feels so bright and fresh. I'm not going to lie, on the very first day that I used this cream, it did feel a little heavy on the skin. Just because I have been using gel textures for a while now. But the second day, it just absorbed in my skin like a dream. Do not use a lot of it. It requires a very small amount. Massage it gently into your skin. It will absorb in your skin and not feel heavy at all. That's a promise. When I get up in the morning, my skin feels very fresh, supple. Hyaluronic acid in any product that you try adds moisture to your skin and in return, obviously your skin starts feeling healthier and plumper. Now this retails for 1200 rupees. And this is a 50 grams pack. The pricing is not super affordable, but it's not very expensive as well for the amount of product that you are getting. You just need a very teeny tiny amount and this will go a long way. Next, let's talk about their coffee peel-off mask. Saint Botanica products look very chic, elegant and expensive and I definitely like that about them. I was in my college dramatic society and we used to practice in the sun. Once I got so tanned, like at least 3-4 shades darker than my normal skin tone. Nothing was able to remove the tan on my face and body. Only and only Multani Mitti worked. So I have this strange inclination towards Multani Mitti in products. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ वही है जो टैन रिमूव कर सकती है एंड मेरी स्किन ऐसी है जो बहुत जल्दी टैन हो जाती है. सो व्हेन आई सॉ दैट देयर इज मुल्तानी मिट्टी इन दिस पील ऑफ मास्क, आई वाज लाइक ठीक है ये मैं ट्राई कर लेती हूँ. इट हैज कॉफी, इट हैज मुल्तानी मिट्टी और क्या चाहिए. इट स्मेल्स सो गुड. इट हैज दिस ब्यूटिफुल कॉफी अरोमा. मुझे लगा था ये मास्क ऐसे ब्राउन से कलर का होगा बट इट इज क्वाइट ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड हैज स्मॉल ग्रैन्यूल्स ऑफ कॉफी. जस्ट नीड टू अप्लाई एन इवन अमाउंट ऑफ मास्क ऑन योर फेस. लेट इट सिट for like 10-15 minutes I think. And मुझे पहले लगता था कि पील ऑफ मास्क ना कुछ नहीं करते. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बस वो satisfaction होती है ना उनको पील ऑफ करने वाली, उससे ज़्यादा ही कुछ प्रोवाइड नहीं करते स्किन में. But as soon as I peeled off this mask, my mom was sitting right there and she actually said कि साफ लग रही है स्किन. So this definitely worked. जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम ही ट्राई करा ना तभी इमीडिएटली इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट देखा. दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 499 रुपीज. मैंने अभी तक इस मास्क को 2 बार यूज करा है एंड बहुत ज्यादा क्वांटिटी नहीं लगी. नॉर्मली इवन एप्लीकेशन के लिए जितनी क्वांटिटी लगती है उतनी लगी बट ये फिनिश तो बिल्कुल नहीं हो रहा. एंड 500 रुपीज का आई थिंक ओकेश प्राइस है. इट्स नॉट वेरी चीप आई वुड से, बट देन सेंट बोटानिका ऑल्सो ऑफर्स यू क्वालिटी विद देयर प्रोडक्ट्स, राइट? सो 499 इज नॉट अ बैड प्राइस एट ऑल. फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु हैव द प्रॉब्लम of blackheads and whiteheads, trust me, this is going to help a lot. You can just apply it around your nose area as well and keep it for a while and just peel it off. The best thing about this mask was that it was super hydrating. My skin did not feel dry at all. In fact, it felt moisturized. I think that happened because this has cocoa butter in it. It's safe to say that I'm obsessed with this mask. I'm definitely going to recommend you to try these products from Saint Botanica. Saint Botanica is such a great brand. Their products are of really good quality and the price range that comes with it is amazing as well. If you ask from me, I would definitely recommend you to try these products. I love their consistency. I love how they make my skin feel. So that's it for this video. If you have any more products that may be newly launched or some products that you have been wanting to try since a very long time, please mention them in the comment section below and I'll definitely review them. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of good content there and you're definitely going to love it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my uploads. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.